Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a chocolate ring for cake. First, select a good quality chocolate, ideally with at least 60% cocoa solids, for the best flavor and texture. Tempering is crucial for a beautiful, stable ring. Begin by melting 2/3 of your chocolate to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, incorporate the remaining 1/3, stirring until the mixture cools to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. This process creates a perfect, glossy finish. Now, let's prepare for shaping. You'll need a strip of parchment paper, or acetate, about 2 inches wide and long enough to wrap around your cake. Acetate often provides a slightly cleaner release and sharper edges. Lightly grease the inside of your cake ring or springform pan with a neutral oil. Carefully place your chosen strip inside the greased ring, ensuring it forms a smooth, perfect circle. This creates the ideal mold for your chocolate. With your tempered chocolate ready, carefully pour it into a piping bag fitted with a small, round tip. Now, pipe a continuous, even line of chocolate along the inside of your prepared strip. Aim for a consistent thickness, around 1/8 of an inch, to ensure the ring is sturdy but not too thick. After piping, gently tap the mold a few times on your counter. This helps to release any trapped air bubbles, giving you a smooth, flawless finish. Once piped, let your chocolate ring set completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes or until firm. Avoid refrigerating, as this can cause condensation. Once set, carefully remove the outer cake ring and gently peel away the parchment or acetate strip. You'll be left with a beautiful, perfectly formed chocolate ring. Now, carefully place it onto your cake and add your desired decorations, like fresh berries or a dusting of cocoa powder, for a stunning presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.